Hello everyone, today we continue with episode 2 in series KANZASHI FLOWER. In this video, I show you tutorial to make an elastic hair tie using kanzashi flower with basic pointed pattern made of broad grain ribbon. Just small accessory, but they are really useful for ladies and girls in hot summer. To make this elastic hair tie, we need to prepare tools include scissors, ruler, tweezer, lighter, sewing needle with thread, and hot glue gun with glue stick. And material we need include broad grain in width 2 inch and in width 3/8 inch, cycle artificial stamen, pearl bed, and raw elastic. That's all thing we need. Let's start now. We go to step-by-step instruction. Step 1. Prepare the ribbons for petal and reinforce step. Cut the ribbon 2 inch into square shape, 7 feet. With ribbon 3/8 inch, we need 1 feet in length 3 cm. Then we use lighter to bond the cut edge to prevent ribbon fraying. We go to the step 2. Create the petal shape. First, fold square ribbon diagonally into triangle. Next, fold in half to make smaller triangle. Then, draw the two hypotenuse to match each other and adjust to form petal in pointed shape. Next, trim the end of the petal. Then, use the tweezer to keep it tight and seal it with the lighter. And last, trim the bottom tip and seal cut edge with the lighter. We finished and have a nice petal like this. For the balance petal, repeat the step above. We go to step 3. Assemble the flower. Use sewing needle with thread to attach all petals together to form a cycle flower. We go to the step 4. Finish task. Put the artificial stamen onto center of the flower. Then trim the end of the stamen. And put some hot glue to fix it. Use hot glue gun to attach the finished petal onto cycle flower. Next, put some hot glue onto under of the cycle flower to attach the elastic. Then attach reinforced tape to keep elastic stay firmly onto flower's base. Next, use sewing needle to sew pearl bed onto its petal for decorative. The tutorial has just finished and I have a nice kanzashi flower on my hand. We can see the most difficult step is how to create the petal shape. So I make a summary chart of this step to instruct you for easy remember. In general, making this elastic hair tie really simple. Let's try to make some pieces in the free time. Besides, you can use this petal pattern to make other accessories such as hairpin or brush pin like this. Thanks for the watching. If you feel interested in this video, please press like button and subscribe my channel. Bye bye and see you in the next video.